mmechoka. Yes, you are fatigued. Lakini namuonya, msiende kulala. Nataka kuanzia leo, kabla ulale, uhakikishe kwamba umezaa Moses Malulu Injendi. Valuya Ishikabeza Kario. Malulu was a good man. Nataka watoto wake waonyeshe hiyo heshima. Nikija hapa, as I will always come, the way I've been coming, I now count Malulu and Malululets. Bikola banje, umaenzi nashira burima sana. Musipofanya hiyo, hata mimi naweza kasirika, niende nichukue boots kutoka kwa retirement, nianze kucheza mpira mpaka nanje mundu wabalanga Malulu Injendi. Valuya, Malulu Injendi was not just a brother to me. Malulu was the political judge of Honorable Soita Chitanda and Dr. Boni Khalwale. I remember 2011, Tulika United Kenya Club, mimi na Soita